Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
This is the new building of Lindt Chocolate Factory, designed by architects Christ and Gantenbein.
It's just begun as she puts a hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts run.
After the Limat River cruise, we proceeded to Lindt Chocolate Factory as our next stop of our city tour.
The beat, two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, the sun.
Lindt Chocolate Factory established in 1800s. It all started with the opening of David Sprüngli's small confectionery in Zurich. The business grew quickly because of Sprüngli's entrepreneurial spirit and passion for chocolate. Sprüngli soon became a renown among chocolate manufacturers.
Two hearts running.
In 1845, in a small confectionery shop of Marktgasse in Zurich Old Town, David Sprüngli and his son Rudolf Sprüngli-Ammann produced the first solid bar of chocolate in German-speaking part of Switzerland. It instantly became a success. Sprüngli grew rapidly, opening the Schleifetobel factory in Horgen in 1847. And in 1859, David Sprüngli and his son inaugurated a second confectionery on Paradeplatz, until now famous Confiserie Sprüngli. Its elegant interiors quickly found favor among the locals, making it a popular place to get together.
No, it's not. Chocolate is not sugar-free.
This is an impressive new building designed by star architects Christ and Gantenbein. The Lindt home of chocolate welcomed chocolate lovers from all over the world. An interactive multimedia exhibition guides visitors through 7 different chocolate worlds, which appeal to all the senses. From the cultivation of cocoa to the history of chocolate, through to tasting the top quality Swiss chocolate. In addition to, interested visitors can view the latest production and automation technologies at a show production facility. Guys, this is really cool and amazing. Chocolate is melting down. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye!